Is it the right time to buy or sell C4 Therapeutics stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into C4 Therapeutics. We initially released a report on our website on Friday, December 15, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 12, 2023, our system has ranked C4 Therapeutics as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.91. Now let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During this time, the stock has surpassed our expectations, showing a remarkable gain of 111.54% since we first recommended buying C4 Therapeutics just 4 days ago. This means that on average, the stock has been generating a daily return of 27.88% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. In the short term, the stock is currently in the upper part of a wide and weak rising trend. This situation can present a great opportunity for short-term traders to sell, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is likely to occur. If the stock breaks the top trend line at $5.52, it will indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 9.32% change expected in the next 3 months. The possible return range lies between -73.28% and 22.01%. On the 12-month trend, there is a projected -48.80% change over the next year. The potential return range falls between -89.61% and -43.44%, which means the price could range from $0.515 to $2.80 after a year. Today, we have an update on C4 Therapeutics Inc. The headline reads, High Volatility in C4 Therapeutics Inc. Stock Price on Friday, which ended trading at $4.95. On the last trading day, Friday, December 15, 2023, the stock price of C4 Therapeutics Inc. dropped by 1.2% from $5.01 to $4.95. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 31.08%, with a low of $4.89 and a high of $6.41. Although the price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, it is still up by an impressive 209.38% over the past 2 weeks. It's worth noting that the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is generally considered a positive sign as volume should follow the stock. Specifically, the trading volume fell by 76 million shares, and a total of 85 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $420.71 million. Looking at the broader picture, over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $9.41, while the lowest price was $1.06. Currently, the price is 47.4% or $4.46 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 90.33% or $46.26 below the all-time high reached on September 23, 2021, when the price hit $51.21. Today, let's talk about analyst ratings for a company called CCCC. On Wednesday, December 13, 2023, Piper Sandler upgraded their rating for CCCC to buy. Moving on to Friday, February 24, 2023, Credit Suisse also upgraded their rating for CCCC, but this time to neutral. On Tuesday, January 3, 2023, Wells Fargo gave CCCC an equal weight rating with a hold action. Lastly, on Thursday, April 28, 2022, Credit Suisse initially rated CCCC as underperform. Analysts have given C4 Therapeutics stock a general neutral rating. They rate the PE ratio as buy, and the price to book as buy. For return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. Here are the signals that have been identified for C4 Therapeutics. The stock of C4 Therapeutics Inc. has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of price corrections, there is expected support at $3.07 and $1.90. However, if the stock price falls below these levels, sell signals may be issued. Furthermore, a buy signal has been observed from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD). However, there have also been some negative signals that may influence the stock's near short-term development. For instance, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 13, 2023, resulting in a decrease of -10.16% in the stock price. It is anticipated that the price will continue to decline until a new bottom pivot is found. On the last trading day, volume decreased along with the price, which reduces the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, which is currently giving a buy signal. Next, we have the Pivots Indicator, which gave a sell signal 3 days ago. The Bollinger Bands are showing a buy signal that was generated 84 days ago. The short-term moving average is also giving a buy signal that occurred 5 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is indicating a buy signal that occurred 5 days ago. If we look at the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we can see a buy signal that was generated 4 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart to see what it reveals. The short moving average is currently giving a buy signal that occurred 5 days ago. The long-term moving average is also indicating a buy signal that occurred 5 days ago. When we consider the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we can see a buy signal that was generated 76 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. In this video, we'll discuss support, risk, and stop loss for C4 Therapeutics. When it comes to support, there is no accumulated volume below today's level for C4 Therapeutics. This indicates that the stock may face challenges in the near future. It's important to be aware of the potential downside. Moving on to risk, this stock exhibits high volatility. It can experience significant price movements throughout the day. The Bollinger Band also suggests a wide prediction interval, further confirming the high-risk nature of this stock. Let's look at some numbers. Over the past day, the stock had a price range of $1.52, which is equivalent to a 31.08% difference between the highest and lowest points. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 52.08%. Before we explore potential trading levels for C4 Therapeutics, let's first cover some important fundamental data. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio reflects a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Established companies may experience temporary downturns due to external factors. However, consistent negative PE ratios could suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 22, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $0.640. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we will explore the day trading levels that could be relevant for C4 Therapeutics. If there is an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $5.01. If you don't currently hold any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before entering a position. However, for those who already have a stake in the stock, this level could be worth considering for swing trading opportunities. It's important to note that there isn't strong support from accumulated volume below this level. This means that under certain conditions, the stock could experience a sharp decline. If you're considering making any trades, exercise caution, especially if you're not an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The average rating for C4 Therapeutics from multiple analysts is neutral. Now, let's explore some recent insider trades. On November 16, 2023, Hughes Owen bought 52,000 shares of stock option, right to buy. On November 16, 2023, Hughes Owen made another insider buy, acquiring 0 shares. On October 2, 2023, Anderson Kenneth Carl purchased 6,617 shares of common stock. On October 2, 2023, Dubin Glenn bought 6,470 shares of common stock. On October 2, 2023, Grogan Donna Roy conducted an insider buy of 8,089 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is positive at 92.155. In total, insiders have purchased 3,153,827 shares and sold 72,730 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss at $4.68, which is a decrease of 5.4%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, which can lead to higher risks. The RSI 14 is at 80, further increasing the risk. Additionally, a sell signal was detected from a pivot top 2 days ago. Is C4 Therapeutics stock a good buy? Although C4 Therapeutics Inc. has shown some positive signals, we believe it is currently more suitable as a hold candidate rather than a buy candidate. This means that investors should consider holding or accumulating shares in this position while waiting for further development. Our analysis of the volatility and movements in the last trading day indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, December 18th, we anticipate C4 Therapeutics to open up with a gain of $0.467, starting trading at $5.42. Before we begin, it's important to understand the risks involved in trading. Please note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss, and it's advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Remember, StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please comment below and share your thoughts. What target do you have in mind for this stock? We appreciate your support, so remember to like and subscribe. Our team wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day.